Question number 31. Root 3 x square plus 11x plus 6 root 3. Okay, in order to factorize this, we are going to multiply this coefficient, that is root 3, multiplied by the last term, which is going to be 6 root 3. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm multiplying these both terms. The coefficient of x square, that is root 3, multiplied by 6 root 3. Okay. Now root 3, I'm going to multiply both of this. I'm going to bring this on one side, root 3 into root 3 multiplied by 6. Root 3 multiplied by root 3. If I bring this inside the root, it is going to become 3 into 3. So this is going to become root of 9 multiplied by 6. Square root of 9 is 3 multiplied by 6. So this is going to give me 3 into 6, that is 18. I'm supposed to factorize 18, okay, plus 18 I am getting over here. So I'm going to add both the factors in such a way so that the middle term that I'm getting, which is going to be plus 11x. Obviously here 18 is there. I'm supposed to split the middle term in such a way so that their multiplication becomes 18. The factors are going to be 9 multiplied by 2. So the factors are going to be plus 9x plus 2x. So these are the factors. By splitting the middle term, I'm going to write the next step. So this is going to be root 3 x square plus, okay, this 11x is splitted as plus 9x plus 2x, and 9 into 2 is 18. So this is going to be plus 9x plus 2x plus, okay, this 6 I can just simply split this as 2 into 3, and that root 3 I'm going to keep it like this only. This is equal to 0. Okay, what I've done simply in this step is I've just splitted this 11x as plus 9x plus 2x. This is the only thing that I have done in this step. Okay, now I am going to think about this 9x. What is going to happen over here? Okay, now this 9x which is there, this 9 I am taking. 9, we can write this number as 3 into 3. Right? This 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Okay, this 3 which is there, I'm going to split it as root 3 into root 3. Okay, I'm just doing the reverse of this step. Here 3 was there, which is written as square root of 9. And square root of 9, I will split this up as root 3, root 3. So one of these 3's, I'm writing this as root 3 into root 3. And this 3 is going to be as it is. So this 9 part which is there, I've split it into 3 parts. First I'm splitting 9 as 3 into 3. And then this 3 is written as root 3, root 3. Which I have done over here other way around. Root 3 is root 9. And root 9, square root of 9 is 3. I have done reverse of this. Okay. 3 is written as root 3 into root 3. So I'm just going to split this part and rewrite this step. Other all things are going to remain as it is. So this is going to be this term is unchanged. It is going to be written as root 3 x square plus this 9 is written as 3 into root 3 into root 3, and then x plus other all things are remaining same, 2x plus 2 into 3 root 3 is equal to 0. Now we will pair this up. This is going to form a pair. This is going to form a pair. I'm going to take up what things I'm going to take common from this. Okay, root 3 is there, x is there, here root 3 is there, and x is also there. Okay, so I'm going to take from this part root 3 and x common. what is going to remain from this? Okay, root 3 and x, this root 3 is outside. From x square, x is outside. What is going to remain over here is only an x. Plus, from these parts, root 3x is out. Okay, so from this root 3x will be gone. What is remaining here? 3 root 3. Okay, so this is what is going to remain. This is going to be 3 root 3. Now from the second two terms, what is common? 2 is common. Okay, only 2 is common, nothing else is common. So 2 will be over here. What is remaining from this? X is remaining. Plus this 2 is gone out. What is remaining? 3 root 3. So this will be 3 root 3 is equal to 0. Now you can see over here these terms are x plus 3 root 3. So I'm going to write here the first part, x plus 3 root 3. The other part is root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now the sum is done. Okay, so this is going to give me x plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0, or root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. I'm just going to bring this 3 root 3 here. Okay, so this is going to become x is equal to minus 3 root 3. So this will be, I'll bring this 2 over here. So root 3x is equal to minus 2, and then x is equal to minus 2 divided by root 3. Okay, these are the factors of x. You will take down the sum. This is our solution set.